Welcome to Police Hunt.
Get a car.
Open the car.
Open the car.
Keep your hands up. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Emergency Charlie Union 60550. Please,
Southbound from where?
Raven.
Southbound on 433.
433. He just wrecked on Dearborn. Let me see your fucking head! Let me
433
see your head!
on Dearborn. I'll give him 433 location. 433 said he wrecked on Dearborn. He was last seen going down Brainerd.
433.
From a career criminal in Illinois who wouldn't go down without a fight, and a purple Charger in Arkansas that almost.
433 has 10-1-10-1. 433 shots fired Brainerd in the...
He's still shooting, still up. Hold it fire, hold it fire.
430,
We're playing.
420. 433.
433. He is at the corner of Gosselin and Dearborn. He is still armed. He is on the ground.
433 at the corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Gosselin and Dearborn, he is on the corner.
Corner of Dobson and Dearborn. Clear the air.
Southeast corner. Southwest, southeast corner, southeast corner. He's on the ground, still armed.
433 southwest corner, Dobson and Dearborn. He's armed.
Outran the police to an Ohio woman who turned the road into her personal demolition derby, and so much more. Here are 30 minutes of extreme police chases.
433, we got more units headed your way. 432, I see you. 424.
I see him, I see him. He's on this corner, southeast corner. He still has the gun in front of him.
Southeast corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Still has the gun in front of him.
That's a
433.
433.
Kevin.
Vertimer.
Hold the air. 433.
We got guns on the ground. And Gosselin and Dearborn in corner, right by the sheep pole.
10-4.
Watch flagging! Watch flagging!
Right.
Stay behind the rails.
How Gosselin.
GOS and
Hey,
Gosselin and
watch
Dearborn.
flagging! Stay down behind those barricades!
Hold the air.
We need help you.
10-4, 424, we got him rolling. Gosselin and Dearborn.
There's nobody else in the...
424.
I don't know.
424 is company. 424 is standing on us over here now.
424 and 10-4, is that the offender that's down?
10-4.
Illinois spike strip takedown ends chase instantly.
10-4.
053508, 45 Arkansas Charger hits 165 mph weaving through service lanes.
Yes, well, we just spoke to the caller. He said that he last saw the individual in the area. So any units coming into the area, no lights, no sirens. We think he's going to step out of Pudgy soon. Don't spook him away.
10-4 for the units responding to that person with the gun. The male is still in the area. Please come in. No lights, no sirens.
Stay away. We're not driving in front of it. We're trying to give it a second. You just talked to my caller. You just talked to my caller about a dude that shot him a couple weeks ago. Okay, do you know what this guy looks like? He didn't give a very good description. There it is, that's him, that's him, that's him. No, stay in the car. Hold on.
433.
Hold on. Get the car.
Open the car.
Open the car.
Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Emergency Charlie Union 60550. Please,
Southbound from where?
Rainer.
Southbound on Brainerd. Charlie Union 60550. What's the you out of here?
433, he's driving recklessly down Brainerd towards Avenue O.
Southbound on Brainerd towards Avenue O. 424, go ahead.
33 is going to happen.
From a career criminal in Illinois who wouldn't go down without a fight, and a purple Charger in Arkansas that almost outran the police, to an Ohio woman who turned the road into her personal demolition derby, and so much more. John Miller can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. The 56-year-old man from Zion, Illinois, has an extensive criminal history dating back to 1999. His latest arrest may just be his last. It began on March 25th of 2025. Police in Kenosha County, Wisconsin, were alerted to a stolen white box truck allegedly involved in the felony theft of a trailer several weeks prior. Officers quickly caught up with and surrounded the truck as it fled the Kenosha area on the interstate. All it took was an accurate set of spike strips to bring this career criminal to justice.
Go ahead. Going on. Go, 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 go! Yeah, he's just going over the underpass in like 2-3 seconds here. Copies up extending.
Hands! 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 Let me see your hands! Move, move, move. Got to put on the gas. You got to put on the gas. Hey, go to Mike. Roll front. Watch out. I'm climbing. You got it, County? Over here. Hold on 1 second. There's a dog in the seat. There's a dog in the seat. Get the dog out! Turn it off! Down! Turn it off! Your dog's gonna get shot if you don't control it! All right, let's slow it down. Over there, watch crossfire! Start crawling, your dog can stay there. Let's go! Let's go! You get 3 seconds before you're tased. I'm dragging your ass out. Let's go!
Now, this wasn't the first time John Miller had been tased and dragged from a car. Body cam footage from December of 2021 shows him fighting with officers during a routine traffic stop.
Stop. Which part do you not understand? Okay, do not reach. Please let go. This is several times you reached now already, and I've asked you not to reach.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
You're gonna get tased.
Step out of the car.
What the? You're gonna get tased.
Step out of the car.
Step out of the vehicle.
Why? Step out of the vehicle.
Wait a minute, I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. I'd like to know why I'm stepping out of the vehicle. You haven't even given me a reason.
You've been reaching for a weapon a couple times.
I didn't reach for a weapon.
I'm gonna tase you, man.
For what?
You're gonna get tased.
For what?
Comply.
What?
Comply before you get tased. You're gonna get tased.
Tell me why.
You're gonna get tased.
Tell me why.
You're gonna get tased.
Wait a minute, tell me why.
Taser, taser, taser.
You... Stop.
On the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Stop it. I'm down.
Get on the ground.
Stop resist.
It was only later that police found out why John was willing to put up a fight.
Okay. There we go. There we go.
That's about 50 grams of methamphetamine that was hidden inside a secret compartment in John's jacket. For it, he was arrested and charged with possession and resisting arrest. Between then and his most recent arrest, he racked up new charges for felony chase alone. John racked up over 40 new charges, including 36 counts of felony bail jumping. All told, he's looking at over 270 years in prison if convicted on all counts.
Primary.
Yeah, 25, I'll be you primary.
Get a gap on it.
It was July 4th of 2025. John Robert Stevenson took the phrase Independence Day a little too seriously. He was out driving his purple Dodge Charger when he blasted by ASP trooper Bob Love at over 90 miles per hour.
Wisconsin SUV heads toward airport runway with hostage call inside.